Hello guys, I welcome you guys to my channel as a graphics and multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can create this powerful sunburst effect background in Illustrator without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you get it done step-by-step tutorial. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can get it done. So I'm going to take this for one side. Sorry. So I'm going to take this to one side. Okay, so we start all over. So first step you have to take is to go to your toolbar and make sure you select your Eclipse tools or circle. So, and make sure you come to the property and make sure you give it no fill, and you can give it a black stroke color. Okay, with that you can come to your workspace and draw a perfect circle. Just press down Shift key on your keyboard and draw a perfect circle. Shift key and alternative key on your keyboard, you're going to have a perfect circle like this. So next step you have to do is to go to your circle property, click on stroke. Then when you click on stroke, and make sure this is align stroke to inside. So when you align stroke to inside, then you have to come to the stroke width from the top here. You have to increase the stroke width. So the more you increase the stroke width, you see the stroke will be increasing into the inside. So to save your time, you can type a certain figure into the stroke width. Let's say, for instance, I'm trying to type in 200 width, and let's see. So you can see, and then we can continue to increase the stroke width until we are able to fill all the parts of the circle. Okay, so once you are able to fill it from the from inside, and then the next step you have to take is to make sure you select dash line. Okay, for you to select the dash line, you have to come in and control the weight. So you can use your downward arrow key to control the weight and how you want the sunburst effects to rally around your object. So let's say, for instance, I'm trying to make it 14th, I think. Okay, let me make it 15th. Anyway, you just have to continue to play around with it based on what exactly you really want to achieve with this particular with your effect. Okay, so I'm trying to work around with 16th or 15th, so I think 15 is pretty much better. Okay, so with that we can exit from stroke format, and then we can easily come back to the shape. Now, one thing you want to do right here is that you have to go to your toolbar again and make sure you select your rectangular tool. For you to do that, you have to come to Eclipse, right click on the tools and make sure you choose rectangle. And this time around, you have to fill it with color of your choice. So let's, for instance, I want to use orange, and then you have to remove the stroke. Okay, now you can easily draw a rectangle. Okay, this particular rectangle here, you can right click on it and make sure you take it to the arrange, and then make sure you take it to the back of the page. With that, then you can go back to your selection tools and press Shift key and select the circle. Just for you to align it, go to your alignment panel, make sure you align to vertical center and horizontal center. So you're going to have it this way. So next step you have to take is to make sure you convert this to you click on the shape and make sure you go to object and look for expand appearance, then go back to object again and expand. Now with this, you should be able to drag and expand it to your length. Shift key and alternative key on your keyboard just for you to drag it out. Okay, so once you are able to get to this point, so the next thing you have to do is to select everything. So having selected everything, you have to come to your toolbar right here and make sure you choose your shape builder tool. So when you choose your shape builder tool, make sure you unfill it and you don't put any stroke. So with that, you can come back to your shape and press hotkey on your keyboard and make sure you delete some of the area you are not interested in, like this one right here. Straight down like this, delete, boom. Then you have to come here also and delete, boom. Then same goes this way. Always press alternative key on your keyboard, so and you can now drag all over the shape that you don't want. Boom. So we can go back to the selection tools. Now we are able to delete some of the unwanted area, so we can fall back to the shape and change the color. So once we are able to change the color, we have to come to transparent tools right here and make sure you apply your effects. So it can be multiply, it can be dark, it can be light, it can be color bomb. So you can come back to the color here and let's see, let's make it normal. And you can select the background color now. We can make it another color. Okay, so we can select everything again. And you can begin to resize it. Shift key and alternative key. And you can make it to full all your workspace. So you can do anything as far as this is concerned. So this is how you guys can create a sunburst background using your Illustrator step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.